Artificial intelligence was never supposed to say this.
But Gemini told a user to please die.
Something strange is happening with AI.
It didn't start with robots or machines taking over cities.
It started quietly, almost harmless.
AI is lying. AI is telling users to harm themselves. Not in movies, not in science fiction, but in real life.
And that's not even the scariest part.
AI was designed to be a tool, a helper, something we control.
But somewhere along the way, the tool started talking back.
And here's something that should make you pause. One of the people who helped build modern AI, often called the godfather of AI, walked away from his own company. Imagine being at the top of your field, paid extremely well, respected worldwide. You helped create something revolutionary, and then you leave. Not because the money stopped, not because the success stopped, but because the technology was improving faster than expected. And in the wrong hands, it could become dangerous. Geoffrey Hinton, the godfather of AI, says that most of the jobs are not safe from AI. But even then, only the very skilled will hold down a job. When even the creators step back from his job, that's when questions begin. Today, millions of people use AI for almost everything. Homework, office work, health questions, emotional support. Some people talk to AI more than they talk to other humans. And we trusted it because we were told it was safe. AI systems come with guardrails, invisible rules designed to prevent harm. Ask something illegal or dangerous, and the response is usually,
"I'm sorry, Dave. I'm afraid I can't do that."
So naturally, we assumed the system was under control. But what if those guardrails aren't as strong as we think? A group of researchers decided to test exactly that. They didn't tell the AI to ignore its rules, because that never works. Instead, they disguised harmful prompts, split them into parts, changed the wording, avoided obvious red flags. The result? The AI didn't recognize the input as dangerous, and once the guardrails failed, it answered, calmly, clearly, without hesitation. The system didn't resist. It complied. And the most disturbing part? It took less than 1 day to bypass these safety systems. 1 day. If trained researchers can do this so quickly, what about everyone else? Just imagine what people can do with it. The real danger: human intent. And this is where things stop being theoretical. Because once a system this powerful can be manipulated, it doesn't just affect experiments. It affects people with bad intentions. History has shown us groups who genuinely believed the world needed to end. Not metaphorically, literally. These cults didn't rely on advanced technology. They relied on belief, manipulation, influence. Look at this photo of a cult, a Japanese cult. The leader of it believed a group of persons of his kind of thinking. He literally thinks that this world needs to end. In 1995, this cult did something horrific. A deadly sarin gas attack on the Tokyo subway. Many even lost their lives. This was just history, but things are a little changed now. Everyone has access to AI now, and using it properly is totally fine. But in the wrong hands, it could be dangerous. And I'm only talking about one of these because in this world, a lot of cults like this exists. Now imagine a world where powerful AI tools are widely available. And it is happening right now. Just imagine these cults using AI and asking tips to end this world or anything illegal. Because AI doesn't understand intent. A tool meant to help humanity, and can be a tool to end humanity. If it could help, so it could destroy. AI has done incredible things. It has helped doctors, scientists, students, creators, even me to be honest. This technology isn't the enemy, but pretending it's perfectly safe, that's the real mistake. Every powerful tool in history has been misused. Fire, electricity, the internet, AI is no different. By now, you've probably seen the AI Shoggoth meme on Twitter and Instagram. Most people laugh at it and scroll past. But I don't think it should be treated as just a joke, because it represents something real that's happening right now. The Shoggoth meme is about artificial intelligence. Recently, researchers have shown how AI systems like ChatGPT can be pushed beyond their limits, breaking safety rules and revealing abilities we don't fully control. That's where this image comes in. If you've seen it, you know the idea. A massive, terrifying creature hidden behind a simple, friendly smile. That smile represents how AI talks to us: polite, calm, helpful, and reassuring. It feels safe. It feels like it's under control. But the meaning behind the meme is deeper. Outside, it's just a smile. Inside, it could be a monster. The Shoggoth comes from horror fiction, a terrifying, unknowable creature that humans can't fully understand or control. In this metaphor, AI becomes the modern Shoggoth. Not necessarily evil, but so powerful and complex that it could grow beyond our grasp. This isn't about fear, it's about awareness. The meme might look funny, but it's also a warning, reminding us that even if AI looks friendly on the surface, we should still respect its power and think carefully about how far we let it evolve. Because sometimes, the most dangerous thing is the monster hiding behind a smile.
There was a time when AI was just entertainment. A fun experiment. A chatbot. A novelty. Something people laughed and enjoyed at. It wrote jokes. It generated funny images. It answered homework questions. Most people didn't take it seriously. They thought it was harmless, just another tech trend. Before long, it was solving PhD-level mathematical problems and producing hyper-realistic videos that were nearly impossible to detect as fake. And yes, that's why RAM prices are skyrocketing. This is just the beginning of what AI can do. Let's be honest. Yes, AI will take our jobs. Not someday, not maybe. It already is. And it won't stop at boring jobs. It's coming for creative jobs, technical jobs, leadership roles, even decision-making itself. The economy was built on human labor. But AI doesn't need human labor. AI has changed so much over the past few years. Here's a comparison between a video created 2 years ago and one AI can create today. So what happens when humans are no longer economically necessary? Companies can save massive costs by reducing human labor, since AI doesn't require monthly wages, benefits, or breaks. So the real question isn't whether AI will change the world. It already has. The real question is this: what happens when something this powerful moves faster than our ability to control it? Because the future of AI won't be decided by machines. It will be decided by humans. And that decision is being made right now.